now my newest project. I have a long shirt and a shorter shirt, and I had another shirt that probably would have worked better, but I like the idea of this one so much that I'll do whatever I need to get it to fit nicely for a dress. So I'm going to use a kind of a short, not a sleeveless, shorter shirt and a longer shirt with sleeves and make it into just a nice little boho dress. So sit back and enjoy the video. Thank you. So the good news for me was that there was some alterations made to the top, and when I undid those alterations it didn't require me to do any further alterations. So this part is all set up, and the next step is to cut down this shirt so that I can get the bottom part for the skirt for it, and I'll kind of go from there and see what else I might want to do with it. So right now it's just cutting the top from the bottom, probably just under the pocket. And the nice thing about this plaid is that it has straight lines, so it'll be easy to cut the straight line. So once I get things straightened out there, I'll come back. Thank you. So using the lines that came naturally with the plaid, I've separated the top from the bottom. And don't worry, I'll be using parts of the top and putting the bottom to the vest. And we'll go from there. Okay, so I sewed the bottom part and the top part together, making a casing so that I could join everything together so I'd have a belt of sorts. And I've been busily doing fine detailing with some lace, and even on the tie back. And of course for this you put a pin through, a diaper pin through, and then you just take it through all the way to get your tie in. And that's where I'm at right now. I think I still want to put some kind of sleeves in it, and then I'll decide from there. But so far so good. I'm pretty happy with how it's turning out. So I'll be back when I have more. So this one, when I had started out, I had a shirt that was plaid and a denim vest, and I took and used a seam ripper and tore out the sleeves of the blouse, long dress blouse, and took the bottom off, and then I just hand sewed everything, and I added tons of lace because I like lace, and it's kind of a boho style I'm out for. I made a casing to put the ribbon through. I had some old curtains and made some pockets out of that. And mostly there's a lot of lace and a lot of hand sewing, and the hand sewing takes the longest. I also added lace to the sleeves. I had thought about making shorter sleeves, but then when I tried it on, I decided just to leave the sleeves as they were. And I just laced everything and got it all together, and I'll do a big review, and then I can get the video out to you all. And one last detail, I had used the rest of, or parts of the lace curtain to put a panel in the back, and I framed that with some more of the blue lace. So I've made it really fancy and boho as much as I could, and it's kind of country chic boho styled. So I'll be trying it on soon and finishing the video. Okay, so here's the finished product with all the lace and boho pockets, and at the back there's also the lace, and all of it has been hand sewn. And just for the sleeves here, I just seam ripped the sleeves out of the shirt that goes with this bottom, and sewed them right in here and added lace. And so a lot of hand sewing, so that takes a lot longer. And I really like this outfit. It fits nicely, and it's happy and cheery and full of lace. And of course I switched out all the buttons, so I had to resew different buttons because I wanted them all to match. And that's my boho project for this month, and I really love the boho style. So thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give us the big thumbs up. Thank you.